Tips for cooking Italian recipes. Cooking Italian food is hard even with a recipe to guide you on your way. Recipes of Italian food may contain a lot of words that you will not be able to find in an ordinary dictionary. This is perhaps because Italian food is often being cooked by those who already have experience in cooking. But still, who's stopping you from trying out the different recipes that you will find in an Italian cookbook? Who knows, you might even master one dish and another through practice. One advantage of having a cookbook is that everything is already laid out for you. This means that you already have a guide on what to do to make an Italian dish. All you need to do is prepare the ingredients and follow the cooking procedures to the letter. But this is of course easier said than done. Here are some tips that will at least lessen the hardships of cooking Italian food. Buy a good recipe book. A lot of the procedures involved in Italian cooking is sometimes very hard to comprehend in words. Sometimes you need a real-life demonstration to go with it. Unfortunately, you don't have a real chef in front of you. All you have is a recipe book. If this is the case, which is often are, then buy a recipe book that will at least explain the very basic procedures that you will encounter in Italian cooking. Some recipe books have a section that explains all that. Some even have illustrations and pictures of the procedure per dish so that readers will have an idea of what it is being done. Research in TV. There are a lot of cooking shows in the market that will help you a lot in improving your skills in cooking Italian food. And with the TV, you will have a first-hand demonstration of what is being done with the various ingredients. Even if you are not actually there with the chef, you can still see what he or she is actually doing. Know the terms. Constant research and watching of TV will expose you to a lot of the terms of Italian cooking. This will help you a lot in terms of cooking the other dishes that are in the recipe book. Remember, the procedures are actually all basic and are being done in many of the dishes, so all you need to do is master each one and you are already good to go. Be precise in cooking, whether Italian food or other cuisines. You need to make sure that your measurements are correct and precise. The taste of your dish will depend upon the rightness of the ingredients that you put into it. A small difference in the ingredients can alter the taste. Too much salt will make it too salty. Too much flour in the sauce will make it gooey. Too much water will make it bland and thin. And it goes on and on. The flavorings that you put and the amount of the ingredients will factor a lot in the food that you are preparing, so be cautious and use those measuring tools. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.